Good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design. In the continuation of our semi-detached that we are working on for a while. In this tutorial, we have done a floor plan. This is ground floor plan. We did first floor plan, which is all well arranged and detailed. So we've done the elevation in bits. So we'll continue with the elevation now, where we are going to continue to detail everything that surrounded this particular building. So let's proceed to the elevation part 2 to beautify the whole thing. So go to, I would not prefer to stay here. Let us go to west elevation. So from west elevation, we're still building a component that we are working on. So you click on this and you say edit in place. So edit in place now, what I do is that I use extrusion to do my work. So what I want to create is just to create exterior decor for this aspect. So I'm going to do this by click. It's only the upper floor that's going to have such decoration. So I have it this manner, then close it up. Sorry. So this and then finish. So what will I do is I just need to do some little calculations. So 75 is what I want to use. Click here, 75. And the last part and the 75, which is okay, accurate. So click finish. So at this junction, what do I need to do? I will go to start elevation, then where I'm going to reduce everything. So I'm going to pick here now, then just like move it, remove this one constraints, then join it together here. Good. So select them, copy. Oh, something is wrong. So click, then copy multiple. So the last part to the edge and to the edge. So that's all. Then you need to do what? Click here and change the color categories. So I'm going to change this to something that pleases my. So I'm going to use this as appearance. Then change the color here. So appearance color, go to wall paint. So I'm going to choose aquamarine. So then deeper the color for me. Say okay, and then that's all. So this one now I have it in place. I just need to do what mirror it. So you just use the to be mirror whatever you do at this side, you get it done at the other side. So you can copy this one again and say just copy it and paste it here. Let it stay at the middle. So that one now you mirror it again so that to be centralized. So you say mirror, good. So the details aspect of that is coming out. So click finish for now. Then go and do the railings for this system. So I'm going to go here and say click and say railings for the sketch art here. Good. So click finish, then change this pattern to good. Then you mirror it the way you used to mirror. So when you look at it from 3D, I think you have something factorial to work with. So now this one is coming out, it's supposed not to be. So we're going to dedicate this only to the front. So say edit parts. So go back to the level 2. So delete this, return this one by moving it a little bit in. Click finish. Do the same thing here. Edit, delete this, delete it. So you click finish. So that's what you do. And you check it from 3D and it's okay. So this is what we have here. So if you are not satisfied with this, you can do like, let's say we want to just let's expand this by bringing this one up than before. So I'm going to do that immediately. Click this one, then I'm going to south elevation. I just want to go to south elevation, delete one completely. So I'm going to do this one by deleting it. So I will just click and say edit extrusion. So west is okay and let it open. So I will push it up completely. I want it to touch from the upper floor. Good. So this finish, come to south elevation. So from here now you copy, just copy and paste. And from there start picking from copy for the 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think with this, just click here now and say mirror, and everything will mirror through. So this one we have different outlook entirely from this one. So good. So the elevations are coming out one after the other. So this is what we do here. So let's quickly create the step that will lead to lead people inside. So let's do that now. Before I go, I want to change the material of this one. I want to have the same material with this so say edit gypsum. So I'm going to reduce it to gypsum 2. So that's what I want to fix in this lab. So now what I do is the front. Let me quickly do that by using the same method that I used to create this exterior part. So click west. At the west side, what will I need to do is to just click and say extrusion again. Pick from here, then select, then start the process by clicking here, then set it up here. So what I do, just need to copy from here now, then start. Okay, so that's what I do now. I just need to remove this, then I will good. So from here move it a little bit outside. I will click finish, go back to 3D and see the work. So here is external aspect of the building. So what you need is that you move it by removing it from constraint and drop it here. So and then you adjust, go to 3D again. So at the 3D level, you see at the right track, no. So adjust it, let it stay here. Then move it here. So when you do that, you need to work on this. So fix this by moving it to the front. Then you say move. Then you take everything here, west, to click this one. Then you see everything, you move it from this position to the back. So when you look at it here now, you have what to take. So you change the material here, category, then you just select whether laminate whatsoever for now, or let's just pick original container. So duplicate this and then come to appearance library, miscellaneous, look around, and you check the one that fits in. So mastery, you can go there and see the one that fits in the program you are working on. So flooring, things like that. So if you feel for any material that you, so let me just use ceramic building pattern for the outside one, to click there and see alpha. So this is what you have there. So if it's not satisfied to you, you bring it up from. So in the next prompting, you can still change your idea flows for whatsoever you want to do. So click that and just go to start elevation and see mirror. So mirror that. Good. So that is what we do on this particular. So this is how we have done so far from the foundation, ground floor design. You see, coming to first floor. So the roof aspects, which is all together here, then continue to with the elevation. Then you can just, like, let's say realistic, then put on this and what we have from 3D for now. So in the next episode, we complete the flower fast using some method, and we apply color in the street immediately. Then we'll work on this part of the inner part of the elevation. So thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.